Need to connect something round to something square? Adapter 6 30x30 D30 is a genuine all-rounder. It fits to the groove, is extremely versatile, and won't shy away from any angle. The LP building kit system with the D30 profile tube system can be used to build and reconfigure equipment for a huge range of working processes in a matter of moments. First in, first out. At Eaton, that goes without saying. Aluminium roller conveyors with various aluminium guide rails and special slide strips offer unrivaled versatility for a very attractive price. The brush strips are made with a material that won't scratch or damage high-quality surfaces. The cover profile turns Profile Tube's D30 into a truly smooth cylindrical solution. This stop does exactly what it promises. A true team player, the Release Unit D30 from Eaton. This automatic system makes it easy to build a shooter solution that connects different levels via a roller conveyor rack.